Hey guys, I decided to make a video today. I know on Monday I said that I wouldn't start really uploading again for a few weeks, but so since Easter was last Sunday, last Sunday on April 1st, I have some peeps and I decided that I would make a video of what would happen if I microwaved peeps. So I wanted to find that out and I wanted to make a video of it too. So let's get started. So I'm going to microwave these two peeps for 10 seconds. Let's start with that and see if anything happens. Alright, time is up. Let's see if anything happened. Ooh, they got a little bigger. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me break them apart. I gotta put the camera down. Yeah, look guys, like the filling spread apart. Let's try one. Yeah, look at this, guys. Mmm. They're good. They're good. Alright guys, and that is the video. So, yeah, I decided that I am going to come back on April 29th. So that's when I'll really start uploading again. So thanks guys for watching. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will put my Instagram account name in the description below in case you guys want to follow it. So keep on watching.